Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Tonight, we're drawing a dreamy kawaii moon with stars soft, glowing, and full of nighttime magic. This gentle and adorable drawing is perfect for winding down and letting your imagination shine. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our relaxing and fun kawaii tutorials. And here's a question for the comments. If you could wish on a star right now, what would you wish for? We'd love to read your answers and maybe turn one into a future drawing. Let's float into the stars and start drawing. Beautiful work, artists! Your kawaii moon and stars look so peaceful and full of wonder. Thanks for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this calm and dreamy tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other celestial and kawaii creations. There's always something magical to draw. Stay creative, dream big, and we'll see you in the next video.